Hello everyone, my name is Giselle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing a 3D printing and painting of the Millennium Falcon. Now this was a really fun video to film, so I really hope you guys enjoy and let's just get right on into it. Hey guys, so just a little disclaimer, I'm doing these videos for fun. I know that the 3D printing and painting is not amazing and I still have got so much to learn, but yeah, I'm just doing this for fun. So first things first is the actual 3D printing side of it. So I found this model online and it was free to download, so I'll put a link down below of where you can find it. Now the first time I printed it, it turned out really small and you could see none of the details. All the supports kept on stuffing up and the satellite kept on stuffing up as well. So I had to print that and the ship separately. So the ship took about 10 hours to print, so when the satellite took about like 5 minutes to print. And yeah, I think it turned out really well. So this is the first one that I printed. As you can see, it is so small and the details are horrible. So we're just going to yeet that over there. And this one is the second one I printed. It is way bigger, it is smoother, and you can see the details way more. And again, how I had to print the satellite separately. I think it turned out all right. The scaling was a bit hard to do and I'm not sure how I'm going to glue it together. So I really hope it stays. And now onto the supports of the ship. I literally had to rip off all the supports and it was really hard to do, and it made the underside of it really bumpy and rough, and it kind of lost a lot of detail, which I was really sad about, but I guess it's fine because you're not really going to see the bottom of it. So yeah, I was just tearing that all off, and then I came in with a small knife and was just cleaning up the sides of it and the bottom of it, and it is still pretty smooth, but I think I need to find a better technique of how to make it a lot smoother. Now, time for the actual painting side of it. Now, I don't know why I decided to print this model in blue. It took about 3 to 4 coats of white to make the blue disappear. I actually don't mind a little bit of the blue seeping through, as I feel like it does give a little bit of dimensions. So now onto the detail part of it. I did have a lot of references beside me, and I don't know, I was a little bit nervous. I didn't really know how to approach it, but first I just started off with like a light gray color and was trying to just like enhance all the details and, you know, just trying to see where everything is on the ship. The next thing I did was I grabbed a few yellow and blue and red tones because on the Falcon it does have these like colored like panels, so I was just trying to copy that. So the next thing that I did was I grabbed a black color. I literally love black. I feel like it makes the biggest difference. It made all the details pop and it really enhanced the model, and I felt like it made it look so much more realistic. So the next thing that I did was I went with a darker gray color, and again, just going over all the details, and I was really trying to enhance it more and make it look like the actual Millennium Falcon. The last bit was to paint and glue the satellite on it. I did a simple painting on it. The hardest part was actually gluing it on. Guys, be careful of super glue. It is highly toxic. I literally glued my fingers together. It went everywhere, so be really careful with it. But after I glued it on, I think it really brought it to life, and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So I was just putting in the final details. So this is how the Millennium Falcon turned out. Again, I'm just doing these videos for fun, but I actually think it turned out pretty well. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. If you guys want me to print something else, just comment it down below and I will print it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.